Hey friends, have you ever lost your edited files in FinalCutPro because your laptop froze or you accidentally deleted them? In today's video, I'll show you how to recover them easily. So let's get started. So first of all, let's go to library, then go to file, then go to new, then go to project, click OK. Again go to file, go to new and create an event. Click OK, and then you need to go to file again, then go to open library, then go to other. Now click here your deleted or edited file that might be located here. Click here, then click choose. Now a new library will be created in this name. Click here, then choose your project and drag it to your new created library. Then click OK, and bang, your new project is here. Double click here, and now you can continue your editing. If you really found this video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe for more editing tips. Thank you.